But not the credit. They wrote the book on how to sell it. From cigarettes to skinny jeans. You got the money, they got the means. All you upper class daughters and working class sons. It's hard to save a dollar the way the world runs. You're the target market of a corporate joke. It won't be so ironic when your daddy is broke. Surprise, 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 surprise. You're much better looking when you're in disguise. Surprise, surprise, surprise. And this revolution is brought to you by just write us down so you can mimic the tortured artist, the jaded cynic. The latest gadget is just a gimmick. Another sucker born every minute.